Hey there, watching a YouTube video but don't understand the language? No worries. I've got a simple trick to help you watch any YouTube video in your own language. Welcome to Work Smart Hub. Drop your feedback, questions and suggestions in comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and ring the bell for more cool videos. Share this with your friends. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine you're watching this amazing Excel tutorial from WorkSmart Hub. It's all about lookup functions in Microsoft Excel, but it's in a language you don't understand. No need to panic. Just click on the button that looks like a letter. When you hover over it, you'll see subtitles, closed captions. On your phone, just tap anywhere on the screen and look for the CC icon on the top right. Click that button and boom, you've got subtitles in video's original language. Now click on the gear icon. On a computer, it's at the bottom right. On your phone, it's at the top right. Select Subtitle CC and you'll see it's auto-generated in English or the video's original language. Click Auto Translate and voila, you've got a list of languages to choose from. Let's translating to Urdu. And there you go, subtitles in Urdu. Now let's switch to Hindi. See, subtitles are now in Hindi. Finally, let's back to English. Easy, right? Now that you are a master at YouTube video auto translate, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.